it's Annie and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to do just a really simple eye look for you guys. I am going to use my Naked Honey palette and I'm also going to use a cream shadow. I am going to use this one from Charlotte Tilbury. This is my Eyes to Mesmerize Mona Lisa, Mona Lisa. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this brush. This is my BK Beauty number 207 brush. Really small kind of rounded brush there. And I'm going to take this shadow and I'm going to go right here on the outside, right, like this. Don't freak out. And I'm just going to bring it in just lightly, just like that. Then I'm going to stop. I'm going to take my Sigma, this is my E25 brush, and I'm just going to take it and I'm just going to start blending it. Now I don't want to go too high up here. I do want to bring it out this way, but I kind of want to slowly do it because I still want to keep it light there and we're still going to use powder. So I'm just blending this out. Now the reason that I use this first, it's really small. I could have used this brush and I've used it before, but this is a little bit easier just to get on the end there. I need to clean my color switch, honestly. It's getting dirty. I just cleaned my brushes. And just blend. So we are going to get the shadow in here too. I just didn't want it to get really dark. Really wanted to keep as much of that darkness on the end there. And then blend it out. I want to go in with my BK Beauty brush. This is my number 202 crease brush. And now I just want to blend a little bit more on the outside there and up here. Just want to make it look really soft and airbrushed, not make it look like there's any lines there. Now a color like this, you could almost do it one color. I could have put it more in there and I could have been just one color, but we're going to play with a couple of colors. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to take that same color again, just taking a little bit on that brush. And I'm going to go right up, kind of drawing a line going up and over with it a little bit. Got to stretch that eye, girl. This is the eye that I've been trying to film all day. Okay. Our people are pretty good because they get in, they do what they need to do, and they move along. I'm like the next door neighbor. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to blend that first with this, and then I'm going to go and soften it. I almost went in with the other brush first, but we don't want to do that. We're just going to go in with this one first. Blend it. I might have to add a little bit more. I kind of put a little bit more on the other eye. Let me go ahead and put a little bit more. Okay. Blend it. Now I want to take my crease brush and blend it. This is such a pretty color, it really is. Now if you have really oily eyelids, it's probably hard for you to keep a cream shadow on, but I always use a primer first. I used my Trish McAvoy, I just did it off camera when I did my other primer. Now we're going to go in with this palette here, and I think I'm going to go in and I am going to use a little bit of this dark brown right here. I'm going to wipe off that first brush that I used for the cream. I'm going to take that brown. I'm just going to go in here and just add a little bit more depth right there. I'm going to do the same on this eye. I'm going to go in and blend it yet. I just want to get my shadow on. Okay, so now I'm going to go in and I want to blend that. You don't have to use this. Obviously, you don't have to use a cream or a powder over a cream. I just like to mix different things when I do my eye looks. I'm just using my magnified mirror so I could see a little closer. This is so pretty. I just ordered another one of her cream eyeshadows and I can't wait to get it. So now I'm going to go in, I might mix a couple colors. I think I'm going to mix this lighter shadow with a little bit of this gold down here. I'm going to take my BK Beauty brush number 203. So I'm going to take a little bit of that lighter color and a little bit of this, I don't know, it's kind of like a copper color, gold color. I'm going to go right there. This is really simple, guys. I'm not going to make this, this is not going to be a complicated video at all. Now, one thing I like to do is just take this crease brush right here on the end and kind of blend those two colors together a little bit so there's not that line. I'm just going to take a little bit of powder. I'm just taking my setting powder. Now that my lashes are longer, they're hitting my lashes hit my skin there, and then I get transferred. It doesn't matter what mascara, it's just because my lashes are so long. So I'm just putting a little powder here just on the outside, kind of set that. Now I'm going to take my smudge brush. I'm going to take that dark brown color right here, and I'm going to put that right on my lower lash. Hear that sound? That's the sound I was telling you guys. I feel like I told you guys in a recent video. Did I tell you that? I feel like I did. You can kind of hear my lights kind of, when they get warmed up, the plastic that's on there kind of makes that noise. Okay, so now I'm going to take my smudge brush and just blend that. I'm going to curl my lashes. This is my Kevin Akon eyelash curler. I love this one. I'm going to do my lower lashes first. And I'm using my Dior. I'm just using this up. I actually have another one of these. I've been really liking my MAC mascara, but I don't like to use it on my lower lashes because the brush, anytime I try to use it, I just get it all over my eyes. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this mascara on. Now after I put this mascara on, I am going to use my Pixie liner, and I'm going to do my waterline after I do my mascara. Then I'm going to do my hair, and then I'll be right back. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. Share my videos, it helps my channel grow, and I really appreciate it. If you're not already subscribed, click that button below, hit the subscribe button. I share new videos every single week. Also, make sure you click that notification bell too, because anytime I share a new video, you will be notified. And you can follow me on Twitter and Instagram as well. And that is it. Thank you guys so much. I will catch you all in my next video. Bye.